How to clear Google Photo storage without deleting from phone. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the ways to clear photos storage without deleting from phone. So in that case, you have to go to open up your Google Photos and make sure to press on the profile icon and go to backup. When you actually do this, make sure that the backup is turned off, and when you have actually turned off your backup, what next you can do is you could go ahead and press on, or when you could go ahead and long press on it and press the delete button and click on move to bin. Now on this page, a pop-up menu should appear saying that whether you want to delete the same image in your photos, or in your gallery, or in your Google account as well. So make sure to tap on don't allow, and when you've actually done that, you can exit out of it, open up a browser, and then go to googlephotos.com. Make sure to sign in into your account, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to show this sort of page, or you'll be able to access all of that. Now what you can do is that the backup is already turned off. You could go ahead and start selecting the images that you want to delete, and likewise you would go ahead and select multiple, or you could just press on the three dot icon and click on select photo. Now you could go ahead and do this and press the bin icon, and you'll have successfully removed the photos from your Google Photo without deleting from your phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.